You guys, I have just come up with the coolest idea for moving my chrysalides to their separate nursery so they can just rest and not be bothered by anyone and be safe from caterpillars and frass and all that stuff. And you know, I've been using the dental floss and tying them and moving them and tying all those tiny little knots. Like, it would try my life. Like, honestly, it would try my life. And anyway, I just came up with a great idea and I'm going to show you. So hang on a second. And here's the magic. It's pipe cleaners. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the pipe cleaners and I'll cut them into thirds. So, because you don't need these big long ones. And I even got pretty like natural color pipe cleaners, so they're not like bright pink or, you know, they still feel natural color, because that's just my thing. Hang on. Okay, so there they are, cut into thirds. And then I take them, I'm gonna do this with one hand, and I fold them into a little V with a really, really tight corner like that. And I'll even squeeze it a little. And then I'll take this into their nursery and I'll just slide it right up behind the chrysalis, and then I'll close it shut, and I'll squeeze it shut. I'll try and show you. It's going to be weird with one hand, and I just pull it off, and the whole thing comes off and sticks. Hang on, I'll show you. Okay, so here we are in one of my nurseries. You can see the big boys are very busy eating. Like, they've got this whole plant, and they're all, look, they're all on that one. I'm like, guys, seriously? So anyway, so there's two chrysalides that need moved, and I'll just slide this up behind and I'll squeeze it shut, and when I do, I'll pull it and it'll just all come off. So hang on a minute, I'm gonna go do it and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, and what's awesome about this, see, you can see it's all nice and snug in there. It is. And it's nice because everything kind of sticks to the little fuzz on the pipe cleaner. So I feel like it's a lot more secure than using the dental floss. And then I'll just take this over and twist it on my contraption that I built for hanging my chrysalides. So hang on, I'll take you over and I'll show you that. Now here is one of the dowels, and I'll just slide it up and then twist the pipe cleaner together, and it'll just hold it on there. No knots. Hang on, I'm gonna twist it and I'll show you. Okay, and there we go. There he is, hanging there. So I'm gonna move around and back up so you can see the whole setup. I just use dowels and twine, and I twined them all together to hold them up, and then I have all these little outcroppings, and there's my little pipe cleaners holding my chrysalises in place. So super cool. And another thing is that when the, hang on a second, I'm gonna come in so you can see. So now when the monarchs close, their little sticky on the bottom of their cute little feet will stick better also, you're my dog, will stick better also to the fuzz on the pipe cleaners. So it'll help them stay a little bit more secure when they close, and give them something to grab on where they're gonna stay safe. I love it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, hit the subscribe button and hit the like and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. Ray Ray wants to say hi. Say hi, Ray Ray. All right, thank you. Have a great day.